campaigns. Now, the next particular tool that I'll have you guys check out, and there will be a link below this video and in the notes, okay, is a website called Antimoto. So let me share that link here with everybody while you are on our session. Let me know that you guys get it. I'm about to type it here in the chat line. Okay, all messages are public, okay. And it is Antimoto. What's the full website? All right, I'll just type in the link here for everyone. Post, okay. This is a great tool to use to create nice, clean, crisp, professional looking videos. All right, this is what the website looks like here, and you can go ahead and set up a free account. That's another really cool feature I like about this, right? There's a free sign up for you to go ahead and create your account. Now, let me pull up, if you remember in our image video training, I do talk about setting up an optimized Gmail account. Okay, so the campaign that I had built or started and using as an example is a sell house fast cash Miami, Florida. The Panaramio account has the same username and keyword. Okay, that is crucial. Next, I'm going to go ahead and sign up for an Antimoto account. So I'll walk you guys through it step by step so that you guys can follow along while you check out and watch this video. Okay, there are other video creating software and tools out there. We've tried several of them. I like this one the best for a starter, and even if you are relatively advanced at making videos, they do have some robust features. Okay, so the email address that I'm going to use is simply the Gmail account that I had created for this series. Okay, full name, let's go ahead and put Gil. Password, let's go with a default password that we normally use. No need to broadcast that on this session. What can we help you make videos for? For business, right? All right, so I should write down these notes somewhere because we have so many passwords and accounts. All right, you haven't made any videos yet, but it was pretty quick and easy, so we are going to create one. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the create one button, and these will pop up. Now, we'll get to that here in a second. All right, we'll go step by step here in this series. So sign for an Antimoto account. Now, download 10 industry images, okay? Now, if you follow along step by step in the image training series, okay, we talked about having your images downloaded and saved. So hopefully you guys do have those images downloaded and saved, because we will be using that here on our campaign. If you haven't set that up yet, that's okay. Please go ahead and do so. All right, please go ahead and do so that we can, or that you can build out these particular campaigns. All righty. Now, I do have my files here, so I'm going to share that with you guys here in a second. And I've got my We Buy Houses information already typed in, so I'm going to share that with you guys here. Hopefully you guys can see that. I've got 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10. I've got 11 images that are on here. Okay, I've already edited some of these images. The file names already have the keywords. Again, the training is in the previous post, so go ahead and check that one out. Now, make sure you want to create a call to action billboard. All right. Again, that is in the image video training on how to create a call to action billboard. All right. So we're good to go on that one. We already went through that. Keep moving forward here. If you guys need me to stop on anything, please go ahead and type it in the chat line, and I'll go ahead and take a pause here if anything pops up. Okay, so once you have your billboard advertising ready, again, that's your company name, your expertise, the exact We Buy Houses ad, and some swipe files are available in the notes in the replay post. Okay, so step number five, once you have all of that ready, okay, you can start to create videos using the following templates. All right, again, we'll give you a nice little easy to follow recipe here so that you can easily create your first video after watching this particular session. All right, so we're going to go to Antimoto.com. Oops, sorry. Antimoto.com. We're going to create a video. We are logged into our an Antimoto account that we had set up here today. Pretty easy to follow along. Okay, and what type of background or theme or style? I do like to use a number of different backgrounds. You can go with the Vogue, which is pretty cool. The Inferno, that's pretty cool. And then there's also Champagne, which is pretty nice, simple. We'll go ahead and use the Simplicity theme, okay? And there are, because you're signing up for a free account, okay, they do have some upsells or some offers for you to check out here, okay. We're going to make a 30-second video for free. We're going to make our own little nice commercial here for free. So I will click that option. I'm not sure about the pricing options, Jenny. Check on the site what is available. But once again, it is pretty economical. Right? It is pretty economical. So what's the template that we're going to follow? Okay, we're going to follow the following template. I'll share that with you guys here right now. So again, you guys just have to fill in the blanks so that you can create your first video or multiple videos after you've watched this training step by step. Okay, so this is the format that we're going to follow. We're going to insert a picture first and foremost. So we're going to go with add pics and vid. We're going to use an image and upload pictures and video. Okay, let me move this out of the way here and pull up the where my image files is for this exercise. All right, and the first thing I'm going to put on there is any one of these images that have a junker type feel to it. Okay, junker old type feel. So we're going to add an image. The problem here is dealing with a junker property or inherited property. Okay, ugly houses, abandoned. Okay. Now in the text, okay, we're going to insert text here. So again, just follow it, follow right along, slide 1, slide 2, okay. Picture 1 is a problem, and then insert text. The next slide is going to be, again, another picture, another slide, industry and tax, right? Caption, add a caption. So the keyword that I am building on, right, what I'd like to be found for, what I'm trying to get promoted is sell my house fast, fast cash Miami. So I'm going to type that keyword on there. And as always, I'll put an underscore. Either an underscore or a dash. Okay. You're going to continue to fill in your basic information on here as well, like your tracking phone, or rather put your citation. Okay, save that. Enter a title. We buy houses. Got a junker property. We buy houses, and then your citation goes here. Okay, so the next thing that'll pop up is another picture. And we'll go ahead and upload a picture on here. Upload pictures and videos. And I'll pick out another ugly abandoned type looking house. Again, this is designed for the junker property, okay? If you're doing lease options, for example, you're going to put some nicer houses on here, and you are going to place images too small, maybe blurry. All right, so yes, delete. Let's add another one. And this one looks terrible, so we'll add that. Oh no, it's still too small. All right. Upload pictures. Yes, that is definitely why you want to go with images that are 600 by 800 or 800 by 600 pixels to make sure you do not run into that particular error, right? So your caption is going to be keyword plus your citation. What is a citation, you ask? That is in the notes. And then it's going to be followed by your text, which is your "we buy houses," and then your citation. Your citation has your company name, your phone number, all that good stuff. And so you're going to rotate here. It does allow you to put multiple images, add different slides to it. But because this is let me just put a sample number on here. Because this is a free account, that you are allotted 30 seconds. Or they are giving you 30 seconds of a free video. So we're going to keep it concise here. But basically, you guys get the gist. All right. And other templates that you guys can use, other formats. Again, you just fill in the blank here. Okay. Fill in the blank on a template to create your video. Another one, which we talked about, the whole problem solution. Bill does a lot of problem solution type of marketing and pre-screening on his leads. So this is another nice little problem solution template that you can follow, and I'll break that down here for you. So in your slides or in your marketing, okay, you're going to alternate image, text, image, text, image, text. Image, call to action, image, call to action. Call to action is for them to call your company, go to a website and enter information like the squeeze page, or schedule an appointment if you're in the We Buy Houses type of niche or marketing, right? So there's different headlines that you can use on here, again, to fill in the blanks. It's never easy. It can be difficult. It's a problem. It's a big issue, right? Nobody wants it. So I can put somebody on here. Nobody wants a junker property, right? Got stuck with one, question mark. Okay, and then in the next slide, in picture number 2, it's going to say, don't worry, don't stress out about it. Call We Buy Houses Miami. Get an offer in 24 hours or less. Okay, and then in picture 3, all right, you can trust our local experts. Our advice can help. Okay, we can make it great. Now, obviously, you can't put "come visit our store," but some of you are marketers on here promoting, your company or business, so we wanted to, include that. But again, a template that you can follow along to provide as a guide as you build out your videos. And eventually, you're gonna customize this based on your business. Once you get more comfortable making videos. Coming up with these image ads and these billboard type of advertising, right? And then picture 4 can be completed the work picture, happy, excited picture. So this could be a picture, a photo of you and or a happy homeowner, or somebody with a contract and cash in their hand, or somebody, giving high fives. If you don't have a testimonial like that, find an investor who does, or go and find an image that you can use of a happy homeowner, a happy family, a happy person with smiles on their face, so that they get the message, or you can convey that message using pictures. And then, of course, the last slide is always company name and your main citation. All right, company name and your main citation. So let me show you what this would look like once we preview the video. Title, again, would be your keyword. And then I like to use underscores instead of dashes for my space. Hopefully you guys can see that. All right, so that's a nice little one. Let me copy this. Let me make it clearer, this whole citation thing, right? We buy houses, citation, call now. And again, this is for, so that you guys get it or see it, how important it is. Or Some of you did not see the image training, so you have no idea what a citation is. But let me put that on here so that you kind of get what it is. A citation is your name, company name, first line, expertise, the following line, okay? The address of your local company. Anthony, that's why I mentioned you need a business address. Guys, use a business address. Find a virtual office space or a virtual office building where they rent out spaces and mailboxes so that you have a valid address to put and use on here, especially when you geotag these images, and then always have a phone number on there, okay? All right, so let's preview the video. Title, skip and produce, and share that with you guys here in a second. Steve, did you see the little preview of that video as I tried to do the preview? I'm going to try to play it here again. I'm not sure if you hear the sound with the video. You are unmuted, by the way.
I don't hear any sound, but I do see the video.
Do see the video. Got it. Thanks for confirming. Let me make this widescreen. And so in a few minutes, right? I can do this in 10 minutes or less to produce the video. I'm a little bit clunky working on two screens, right? But there's a nice background music that's playing, which you can change as well. They have different music that you can use, right? And let's play through this whole thing. Just imagine some nice pristine music playing in the background. I'd sing for you, but I would cause a thunderstorm in your area. Right? There you go. And that is the video. Now, this is only a 20-second video, so you have 30 seconds, okay? A couple things you definitely want to implement. Your very last slide should always be your billboard advertising. Okay, it should always be your billboard advertising where it's your company name, your name, and the citation, your phone number, or a website that is on here where you want people to go to fill out a questionnaire, a web form, or schedule an appointment, okay? There's been some pretty cool stuff we've been able to do when it comes to appointment setting from this type, and we'll share some of those other strategies that you can stack to maximize your activity and these marketing pieces, okay?